the skies and brass boundaries, clockwork hearts and steam-powered schemes. Gears are turning, pistons churn, in this world where time we burn. We are the children of the steam, living life between the seams of past and future intertwined, gears of time forever aligned. Airships sailing through the clouds, inventors working, heads unbowed. Mechanical marvels come to life in a world of wonder and strife. We are the children of the steam, living life between the seams of past and future intertwined, gears of time forever aligned. Airships sailing through the clouds, inventors working, heads unbowed. Mechanical marvels come to life in a world of wonder and strife. We are the children of the steam, living life between the seams of past and future intertwined, gears of time forever aligned. Up the top, the clock strikes midnight. Gear shifts, a new age takes flight. We rise on wings of glass and steel, a future that's both fake and real. We are the children of the steam, living life between the seams of past and future intertwined, gears of time forever aligned. In the city of cogs and steam, we live our clockwork dream.